today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TA-021. Today I'm going to be speaking about the 1999 to 2003 Chevy Tracker with 2.0-liter engines, specifically with the symptoms of a frayed serpentine belt and or belt squeal. And what could be causing these symptoms? First, assuming no other typical causes of belt squeal, such as old or worn belts, etc., GM Technical Service Bulletin number 01-06-01-015A indicates that some power steering pump brackets may not be properly positioned with the power steering pump assembly. If that is the case, then misalignment may result between the power steering pump pulley and the alternator pulley. The solution is a simple adjustment of the power steering pump bracket position and replacement of the serpentine belt using service manual procedures specified for this vehicle. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.